I'm Daniel.
I'm JZ.
This is Just My DIY.
When you're first starting off with sublimation, you're probably going to make a few mistakes, and if you're like us, those start to add up.
So we are here to try to undo these mistakes and re-sublimate them into something that's much better than, well, the mistakes that we actually made.
Yeah, so we're going to give it a try, follow along, and let's see how it goes.
We set the convection oven to 400 degrees and use 2 thermometers to check the temperature.
We used a thin silicone baking mat and just cut some squares out of that to create lids for our tumblers so no ink vapor would get inside. We're only going to unsub 2 in this video, so we put them in, and after 15 minutes we check them, and they're just getting slightly blurry. You can tell maybe some of the ink is coming off. Because of the temperature differences in our oven, we turn them 1/4 of the way and wait another 15 minutes.
And check it again. Look, they're even more blurry. We turn it and we wait.
So after 45 minutes, you can definitely tell a lot of the ink has lifted, but they still need to go a little bit longer. So we turn them another 1/4 of the way and give it another 15 minutes.
We're really just waiting for the cheese on top to melt.
We did notice that the bottoms weren't getting as unsubbed as the rest of them, so we flipped them over, gave it another 15 minutes, and then after that, we did a half turn because we noticed that the ink wasn't going to get much lighter on the rest of the tumblers at this point. So a total of 1.5 hours unsubbing time, turning and flipping, and we pull them out and let them rest overnight.
Now we print out our new designs.
And you'll notice we used our EcoTank 15,000 using the Hippo Sublimation ink.
Everything is linked down below. We try to pick dark patterning to cover up any of the light sublimation that is left over from our un-sublimating process.
So we're not going to show step-by-step on how we do this. We have a couple of other videos that we'll link on how to sublimate tumblers in a convection oven. So we're just going to show you the quick process. We do prefer the shrink wrap method, and we'll, again, link the materials down below.
Setting the oven to 375 degrees, we go ahead and put the items inside of it and let them cook for, what, 6 minutes?
6 minutes total, turning after 3. And then we let them cool. And now we'll show you the progression. First one, messed up sublimation, unsubbed, and then re-subbed. This one turned out really nice. There was one spot in this where there was some kind of white in the design where the little triangles show through, but you really got to be looking for that. So we're very happy with this re-sub.
And here we have the other screw up. It's brought down to its unsublimation and everything reapplied afterwards, and you can see that for the most part it came out really nice, but there is an area where some blue shading kind of came through the black colors.
But overall really nice.
Yeah.
See, it's actually pretty easy to unsub and resub, fixing all of your mistakes. You just have to be patient while the ink is coming off and choose a design that is dark enough to cover what's left.
So if you learned something about unsubbing, then resubbing, then you should subscribe to our channel, ring the bell, click the like button, of course leave a comment about your experiences on and resubbing, and know that there's a list of materials to do this down below.
And if you're not watching this on our website, head over to justmydiy.com for more. Thanks for watching.